This roller chair is premium quality. It is so nice. I love that it has the adjustable height and the spinny wheels. So right now it's on one of the lowest settings, and I think it ends up being like about 24 inches tall or something like that. And then it moves really smoothly because of those like big roller wheels. It is literally has such great turn radius. Is very sturdy but also very smooth. I love that it has this little piece here because then I have something to rest my feet on. And it's very versatile. You can actually take off this little back if you don't want it, if you just want it to be a stool. Super simple to assemble. And you guys, look how thick the cushion is. It's like over 3 inches thick. It is so comfortable. The back support I love. And then to raise it up, you just click on this button and then it can get super tall. I think the tallest setting is like almost 32 inches or something. So super nice, wonderful quality. I love the leather look and the pattern. You can just tell it's really well made. And again, it was super simple to put together. But this brand actually sent it to me and I love it. It's probably one of the nicer stools I have. I'm gonna put it in my office or put it in my classroom because I'm a teacher. So I love it, such good quality, and it's beautiful too.